Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So if you're looking to take screenshots of WhatsApp's DP or profile pictures, you've come to the ideal and right video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to screenshot WhatsApp DPs or profile pictures. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. Okay, so back in the days it was very easy to take screenshots of WhatsApp profile pictures. Okay, so all you just needed to do was just to go to the profile picture, the profile you want to screenshot, click on it on their DP and open it. Then you take a screenshot with your screenshot feature on your mobile device. Okay, but nowadays it's no longer possible, and you can see according to WhatsApp, they say they do this to help protect their users' privacy. Okay, this is understandable, but what does this actually mean for us, the users? So this actually means that you can't take screenshots of another person's profile picture, just as they can't equally take screenshots of your own profile picture. Okay, so this feature is automatically enabled on supported devices as set on WhatsApp here. So this means that these devices are blocked from taking screenshots. You can disable this feature according to WhatsApp. Okay, so that's only if you use WhatsApp official version. But GB WhatsApp users don't actually have this problem because they have unlimited features available to counteract this kind of feature. Okay, alright, so if we go to WhatsApp and try to take a screenshot of a DP, let's just try to open it, and then we try to take a screenshot with the screenshot feature of the mobile device. Let me just take a screenshot. As you can see, the app says that it couldn't capture screenshot. Taking screenshots isn't allowed by the app or your organization. Okay, so that's what it's typically going to say, because WhatsApp automatically blocks this feature both on Android and iOS devices. And the funniest part is, even if you try to screen record the screen, it's going to be shown dim. As you can see on the screen right now, it's going to be darkened, so you won't be able to take screenshots or even record the profile picture for further usage. Okay, because this is actually blocked by WhatsApp. Alright, so if we come back to this page, you can see that this second paragraph here actually is already a means for us to take screenshots on WhatsApp. Okay, so there's a method that actually uses this to take screenshot on WhatsApp, because you see it's enabled on supported Android and iOS versions. Okay, so if you're kind of tricky, you will know that this already means an alternative method to take screenshots on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how, but not in this video. I will show you in a next video. So if you want me to release a video showing how to take screenshots with this feature, then you want to comment on the video below, just comment below and I'll be happy to make a video on this. Okay, but in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you a simple and straightforward way to take screenshots of WhatsApp profile pictures. Okay, so let's dive in. Right, so first off, we just want to open our WhatsApp and go to the profile picture that we want to screenshot. Okay, so since we can't open the picture just like so, we'll just need to take a screenshot of the picture in the form it is and then crop it. So let me do that real quick. So after taking the screenshot just like so, you then want to use your phone's editing feature to crop out the profile picture to best suit your needs. Okay, so let me just crop that real quick. Alright, so I've just cropped that, and then I want to click on save. Now we can access this screenshot, this profile picture, from our device gallery. So let me just go to the device gallery, and to the screenshot you can see that the screenshot has been saved automatically to our device gallery. Okay, so that's the most straightforward way to take screenshots of WhatsApp DP or profile pictures. Okay, so as earlier mentioned, if you need the alternative tricky method, you want to comment below. Just comment below that you want me to list this version, and I'm going to show you. I will release a video. My next video is going to be on taking screenshot with this tricky method. Okay, so if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming update. Okay, so before you even quit, you want to check that video description to make sure that you check a link to this complete guide, a written guide on this for your better understanding. Alright guys, so I catch you on the next one.